They are talking. They are. Are they talking? Hi, I am Cassie, the English teacher. Today, we are going to learn present progressive questions. Let's practice a conversation from the last lesson. What are you doing? I'm studying. What are you doing? I'm cooking dinner. Sounds good. I'm hungry. Here is our idiom of the week. On the ball. On the ball. So a ball, on the ball. That means to be quick to learn or react to things. So somebody who knows what's happening, learning, responding. For example, she's a good manager. She's on the ball with everything. On the ball. Okay, let's review the present progressive tense that we learned in lesson 28. Remember, we're going to use the to be form and then add ing to the verb. So, I am cooking. You are cooking. He is cooking. She is cooking. We are cooking. They are cooking. So cooking never changes. Cooking doesn't change. We change the verb. I am, you are, he is, we are, they are. So I can say, what are you doing? I am working. What is he doing? He is running. What is she doing? She is eating. What are they doing? They are driving. Let's practice. What is she doing? She is sleeping. What are you doing? I am eating. What is he doing? He is going. What are you doing? I am studying. What are they doing? They are walking. What is she doing? She is cooking. What are they doing? They are working. What is he doing? He is driving. What are they doing? They are talking. What are you doing? I am reading. Good. Okay, so we are going to learn how to make questions out of our present progressive sentences. So if I say you are driving, to make that a question, I just flip you and are. Are you driving? Are you driving? He is working. Again, flip. Is he working? Is he working? They are talking. They are. Are they talking? Okay, so we're going to practice. Is she sleeping? Are you eating? Is he going? Are you studying? Or is she studying? Are they walking? Is she cooking? Are they working? Is he driving? Are they talking? Are you reading? Good. Now, all of those questions can only be answered yes or no. Are you cooking? Yes, I am cooking. Or no, I'm not cooking. Are you driving? Yes or no. We can also add in question words. So we have are you driving, which is yes or no. But I can add where. Where are you driving? And now, oh, I'm driving to Houston. When is he working? So is he working? Yes or no. But when is he working? At 9 o'clock or tomorrow. When is he working? Why are they talking? So, are they talking? Yes or no. Why are they talking? They are studying. So let's try a little bit of conversation practice. What are you doing? I'm working. Are you studying? No, I'm driving. Where are you driving? Okay, let's practice dictation. So I will say a sentence. You need to listen, write down what you hear, and then check your work. Ready? When are you eating? When are you eating? When are you eating? When are you eating? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Is he working? Is he working? Is he working? Is he working? Where are they walking? Where are they walking? Where are they walking? Where are they walking? What is she doing? What is she doing? What is she doing? What is she doing? What is she studying? What is she studying? What is she studying? What is she studying? Where are you driving? Where are you driving? Where are you driving? Where are you driving? What are they doing? 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 Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Good job. That's all for today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And I will see you next time. Bye.